Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable biometric login on Wells Fargo mobile app using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app and make sure the app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. Once you are on your login screen, log in using your username and password as you normally would. You need to sign in once before setting up biometric login. Once you are on your home page, tap on menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the menu, tap on settings. Inside the settings section, tap on security or biometric login. Now you will see options for Face ID or Touch ID depending on your iPhone model. Tap on the option to turn it on. Your iPhone will ask for confirmation. If you are using Face ID, simply look at your screen. If you are using Touch ID, place your finger on the home button. Once verified, biometric login will be successfully enabled. From now on, when you open the Wells Fargo app, you can log in instantly using Face ID or Touch ID, and that's it. You have successfully enabled biometric login on the Wells Fargo app using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.